Hey guys, Pentagon Thief 1 here, and a video on the baking soda and the vinegar challenge. So basically, I've got a spoon. What I'm going to be doing is I can take off the baking soda, get 2 spoonfuls of this in my mouth, 1. Actually, 1 is enough.
So is that 3 ways going?
Look.
Hasn't been fruited and it's nowhere near crumbled. Actually, pots over there.
What? That was epic. I'm really going to do like half a teaspoon this time.
Perfect.
Okay guys, food needs to be on the path. We really need to get these dishes together.
Right. Am I going to have a tissue? That was epic. So basically, it's all over my chin. Right. That was it's not hard. I don't know how to say. You can probably see like half of me. It's not hard, it's just I don't know how to explain. Anyway, one of those what I was trying to say when I put the teaspoon in my mouth is trying to say 1 is plenty because that stuffed my whole mouth. There's the mess, and there's a bit somewhere on the garden, but I don't want to step on it. But there is the mess, fresh for my mouth. Oh, there's a slug there. That's my ink. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Pentagon Thief 1, over and out.